Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple single crochet scrunchies for winter. I don't know what season you're in, but I'm in South Korea and it's winter right now, so I just thought to make this simple warm scrunchies to tie hair. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do a slip knot. Then after doing my slip knot, this string is a little bit too long, just cut it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a scrunchie, then I'm going to line it. And I'm going to line it like that. Then I'm going to insert my hook inside the scrunchie. Then I'm going to hook and do, so now I have two, and do a single crochet. I'm going to put my hook again inside, hook some yarn and pull it through this middle, and I'm going to pass my yarn through the first loop and pass my yarn to the second loop. And that's what you do when you do single crochets. It's simply put my hook inside in the middle of the scrunchie, and I'm going to do a single crochet just like that. It's that simple. So this is definitely a beginner project that you can do. It's small, it's easy, and one of the first stitches that you learn is single crochet. So definitely, if you're a beginner, take up the small project, try it. Yeah, and yes, I'm going to continue doing that. Pass through the first loop, second loop, just like that. And the yarn that I cut in the middle, I'm kind of like just joining it to the scrunchie so that when I do my single crochet, it's covering it so that this doesn't stick out. So I'm going to do this all the way, then come back. I just decided probably maybe you're a beginner, not sure how to hold your yarn. Repeat on your finger twice, then hold your crochet like a knife, insert it inside the middle, then hook some yarn. Yeah, do that movement, and now you're going to pass your yarn through the first and through the second. I'll do it again. In the middle, hook some yarn, go under with it inside the middle of the scrunchie, then you're going to pass your yarn through. So I'm almost done. I'm almost at the part where I need to join it, and I'll show you how you join. So I've reached the last part of covering the scrunchie with this lovely yarn. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch, so like under the two loops. Is it under the two loops? Find them. Try to find the two loops. Now what I'm going to do what they call a slip knot. So I'm going to hook my yarn, pass it through those two loops just like that, and now I have two stitches. Then the one stitch I'm going to pass it through this one. So I'm going to hook the stitch and pass it through like that. So now that forms a complete circle. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my yarn, remove my hook, and I'm going to go to the next stitch insert my hook under those two. Oh, sorry, mustn't lose the stitch. Right, then I'm going to hook some yarn and pass it through so that it goes to the other side, just like that. Then I'll put my hook back, and this yarn that we passed through, I'm going to hook it like that. So now there's this yarn that's hanging. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tuck it in these stitches. So I'm going to insert my hook underneath those two, then hook so that it comes to the other side, just like that. Then I'm going to go on the next stitch, put my hook under those two, hook my yarn so that it comes the other side. So I will do that until the yarn is finished, like until we have all of it has gone, is covered, or if you feel like you have done enough. That will create a problem. No, next stitch, darling. Whew. What are you doing, Hilda? Sorry guys. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I think I've gone through many then I'm going to cut it. As you can see, it doesn't show, and you've got yourself a nice cute little scrunchie that has a soft feel to it. This yarn is so soft feel to it, and yeah, so that's a small project for beginners. Check it out and try it out, guys, and tell me how it went. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.